Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. This video will teach you how to place a web order. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service. Once you have logged in, you may search up the items in this box here. You can search it by item number, item description, UPC, DIN, ingredients, a long description, or even by vendor name. I would like to look up Tylenol 100. It is shown here that there are 18 products found under the name of Tylenol 100. I may sort my list by item number, DIN, UPC, or by description. I can see the unit price here and how many are in stock at IDCI. I may scroll down and jump to the next page or the last page, or even change the number of items per page. I would like to order Tylenol Arthritis, item number 302511. I know there are 60 in stock, and I would like to order 5. I add it to my cart, and it will show in my shopping basket. If I would like to only show the items with stock, I must press this button here. And the list will adjust accordingly. We thank you for watching this instructional video, and we hope it was helpful. Any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service.